Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control.